Okay, so we've got a video today where we're going to be going over an issue we have in our 2010 F-150 FX4. So the issue is that intermittently we're not able to put the car in park. Take the car out of park. So the issue is when we push on the brake, sometimes the lever is not released and we're not able to put the car into park while it's running. Seems that after doing some searching, we found there is a switch down there underneath the dash. We'll look at that here in a minute, but it seems to work intermittently. The other issue is that when this is not working, also the brake lights do not come on when we push on the brake. So that's why we think it's something with that switch related to the brake and not with anything to do with the gear shifter itself. So we've had a couple times where we've gotten stuck and not been able to get it to park, and after a while it does start working again. So obviously we have an issue. Okay, another thing that we're going to do in this video is show you how to get into underneath where the gear shifter is. We did that anyway and it was pretty easy, so we wanted to go ahead and show that, and then we realized we need to clean underneath there. So to get this out, really it comes easy on this side, is if you pop open this side here, and then starting from the back. Now, one of the things that we realize is that you can't pull this off while it's in park. So you actually have to put it in at least reverse or neutral in order to get this up and over. And and then the cup holder also does pop out, which gives you great access to everything underneath here, which if we did have an issue here, we would be able to address that here. So since we don't have an issue, we don't believe we do, still wanted to show that since we cracked that open. We'll call that our bonus footage. Okay, now we're going to show you where that switch is located. So if you look underneath here, here it is right here. So here's the switch that we're going to replace. I went down to AutoZone and got a replacement. My online attempt at that got me the wrong part. So I went down local and hope I have the right thing now that matches up the right pin connector. So we were able to get the switch out, and so just want to describe that quickly. You're going to actually just turn it. You shouldn't have to turn it very hard in a clockwise position, and it kind of will unlock from how it's connected in there. And then likewise, when you put the new one in, you're going to kind of push it in and then turn it back counterclockwise to get it to lock into place. Okay, so here we have the original part we just pulled out, which is the Ford part, and then here we have our replacement. It's a Duralast brand. Here is what we got. Once again, that's for our year. Everything looks to match up and line up. So we're going to put this in and see how it goes for us. So we were able to replace it with the new one, as I described before, with clockwise to get it out and counterclockwise to get it back in there. So it seems everything is working so far, but we'll post an update, kind of confirm that it's working, but everything so far shows that it is. Thank you for watching.